If indicators confuse you, you're not alone. Most traders use them without understanding how they really work. Today, I'll break indicators down in a way beginners actually understand. Here's what we'll cover in this video. It's designed to make things clear. Most people jump into trading the wrong way. They look for indicators first. They look for signals. They look for shortcuts. And when results don't come, they quit. In this video, I want to slow things down. Before we talk about AI indicators, before TradingView tools, before strategies, we need to understand how price actually moves and why indicators exist in the first place. If you are a beginner, this video will give you clarity. And if you already trade a little, this video will help you clean your foundation. Let's start with the most important thing in trading, the price chart. A price chart is simply a visual record of buying and selling. Every move you see on the chart is created by people, buyers and sellers making decisions. Candles are just a way to display that behavior. Each candle shows four things: the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price. Indicators do not move the market. Price moves first. Indicators only react to price. This is why professional traders always respect price before anything else. Now let's talk about time frames. The time frame you choose changes how the chart looks, but it does not change the market itself. A 5-minute chart shows short-term noise. A 15-minute or 30-minute chart shows structure. A 1-hour or 4-hour chart shows trend. And daily charts show the bigger picture. This is important because indicators behave differently on different time frames. Scalpers usually work on lower time frames. Swing traders prefer higher time frames. Long-term investors mostly focus on daily or weekly charts. There's no best time frame. There's only the right time frame for your style. So now the question is, why do traders use indicators at all? Indicators exist to help us read price more clearly. They help answer questions like, is the market trending or ranging? Is momentum strong or weak? Is price overextended? Is volume increasing or decreasing? But here's the mistake many beginners make. They think indicators predict the future. They don't. Indicators organize information. They don't replace thinking. Before AI indicators, traders relied on traditional indicators. Indicators like RSI, MACD, moving averages, and Bollinger Bands. These indicators are based on fixed mathematical formulas. They calculate the same way every time, no matter what the market is doing. Traditional indicators are not useless. In fact, many professionals still use them today. But they have one limitation. They do not adapt when market conditions change. AI indicators work differently. AI indicators analyze large amounts of historical and real-time data. Instead of following fixed rules, they adjust their behavior based on market context. When volatility increases, AI adapts. When trend behavior changes, AI adapts. When market structure shifts, AI adapts. AI indicators are not magic. They don't remove risk. They simply help traders process information faster and with less emotion. Think of traditional indicators as tools and AI indicators as smart assistants. Now let's quickly understand indicator categories. Most indicators fall into four main groups. Trend indicators, these help identify direction. Example, moving averages. Momentum indicators, these measure strength. Example, RSI, MACD. Volatility indicators, these show expansion and contraction. Example, Bollinger Bands. Volume indicators, these show participation and confirmation. AI indicators can belong to any of these categories, but with adaptive behavior. If you are new to trading, don't overload your chart. 1 or 2 indicators are more than enough. Learn what price is doing first, then use indicators to confirm, not to decide for you. AI indicators should be used as guidance, not as blind signals. The goal is consistency, not complexity. In the next video, I'll show you real AI indicators inside TradingView, how they work, how to apply them, and how traders actually use them in real analysis. Subscribe, stay focused, and welcome to AI Crypto World.